Hi, my name is Jen Ferguson. I'm here with Kito Crosby. Kito makes chain motors and Crosby makes rigging. Today we have our mini Krewmate hoist. It's rated to 500 pounds, and you can also double reeve it to go up to 1,000 pounds. This is a great outdoor hoist. It is completely sealed, IP65, comes with nickel-plated load chain, which is very corrosion resistant, very wear resistant, and it has a lot of new technology inside the hoist. So it is solid state relay. It doesn't use contactors, so you have a long life on your electronics. It also has electrical overload limiting protection. So it measures the current of the motor, and it knows when you're overloaded, so it's an additional safety feature built into the hoist. Yeah, come check us out. This is a great hoist. Our website is KitoCrosby/entertainment.